people wanted to know if they should come on a 1 year or a 2 year degree and what's the difference between these two. So in this video, I'll be covering about the benefits of a 1 year degree and the benefits of a 2 year degree so that you can choose which one would be suitable. Welcome back. My name is Bani Singh. Let's get started. If you want to get regular content on getting an edge on studying and settling abroad, then this is the right place. So subscribe to the channel. I'll cover them side by side. So let's start with the basic things. If you come for a 1 year degree, you don't get that much of a time to adjust. You have to be independent. You have to search your own home, your own part-time job, and then search for your full-time job based on your qualifications all within 1 year. So that's for 1 year. But if you come here for a 2 year degree or a diploma, then you get time to adjust. Maybe for the first year you don't even think of what you would be doing, the next steps for getting the job, which would be based on your qualifications and not just a random part-time job. So that gives you some liberty to take your time off and relax and then start working in the second year of your degree to get that process running. One thing more about the job. So 2 year courses have a higher probability of having a co-op or an internship in the final semester or like at the end of the first year. And I've heard that people who go to the co-op and they perform well, they get a job eventually there. So that's it. You are sorted for a time period, so that's good. But in 1 year, I know that there are a few courses which have a co-op in the last term of the first year. The course is of 1 year, so think according to the course that you want to pursue, and if the 1 year option doesn't give you the chance to do that, then you can go for the 2 year one. Now the most important point, that is the work permit and the PR. So obviously majority of the people who are here in Canada studying want PR. So for that, 2 year is obviously better, because if you are studying for 16 months or exact 2 years, you would get 3 years of work permit, and in that you will be eligible. You will have sufficient points to apply for the PR and even get that. So there's negligible risk in that. But whereas if you do the 1 year degree, you will just get 1 year of work permit, and then you need to have your PR filed in that, and then you have the hassle of extending your work permit if your PR doesn't come well in time. So there's this risk. Till now we have been talking about aspects that are favoring the 2 year degree versus the 1 year one. But this point, that is the living expenses. Obviously if you are coming for a 1 year study, your living expenses would be less, and because after 1 year you would get a full-time job based on your qualifications, and then you won't have to worry about your living expenses. And then there's this point of the frequency of classes which you will have if you have a 1 year program versus a 2 year one. And I don't know about other colleges, but I'm pursuing a 1 year degree and I have classes only thrice a week, and in my final term some people have it only twice based on the electives. So it depends on the college or the university that you are taking admission in. Obviously it's not that it's just 3 days, so it's not hectic. The number of assignments you get compensates for that. But one thing is for sure, if you take a 2 year degree versus a 1 year degree, so your deliverables, that is the assignments or the exams that you have, will be split up into longer durations as compared to a 1 year degree, because they have to fit in the curriculum into a shorter duration. So there are more deliverables within a shorter time frame, so you have to hustle. But again, it depends on the course and the difficulty of the course. You might have 1 year degrees which don't require that amount of work. Suppose you get admission in 1 year degree, then it's not that you will just get 1 year of work permit, provided if you do the thing that many people do. So you can come here for 1 year degree and then pursue another course which is again 1 year degree. So you will have 2 continuous years of studying here in Canada, and you will be eligible for 3 years of work permit. So that also sorts it out. Obviously you will have to deal with the course selection, and maybe if you have to give a GRE or GMAT, you'll have to think about that as well. And some people even have diplomas or certificates which are 8 months in duration. So suppose diploma or the certificate ends in April or May and the fall intake starts in September, so that break is legal and you don't need to worry. You can apply for another course which starts in September, and then also you will be eligible. But if you are applying for a 1-year degree, studying there for 1 year, then working for 1 year during the work permit that you have got, and then you apply for 1-year degree, then you won't get this benefit. You can only avail the work permit once. Now talking about the cost factor, it's a myth that 1-year degrees are cheaper than the 2-year ones, because it entirely depends on the school, the university, the college, and the program that you choose. There are some 1-year degrees which are even costlier than 2-year degree combined, so you need to look for the course that you want to pursue and see what is the tuition fees for that. Okay, now that we have discussed about 1 year versus 2-year degree, and clearly the scales are tipping in favor of the 2-year degree, so it's advisable that if there's a course that is to your liking and it is also in the 2-year format, so go for that. But I'll also tell you that what I am pursuing is a 1-year degree, and why I chose that despite knowing the risks associated with it. So the program that I'm pursuing is Masters in Management at Schulich School of Business, and I went in for this despite being a 1-year degree, because generally Masters in Management programs have the duration of 1 year, so that's typical of these programs. And I got offer letters from universities offering 2-year degree as well, but I chose to take this because this was the degree that I wanted to pursue, and I didn't just want to pursue something for the sake of 2 years and not liking the subjects that I would have to study. So I went in for my interest versus the duration of the degree. But if your situation doesn't involve a trade-off between your interest and the duration, so your best bet is to go for a 2-year program. I hope this helps in you making your decision about 1-year or 2-year degree to go for. And if you like this video, like it and subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. I'll meet you very soon with my next video. Until then, stay safe, take care, bye.